This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
So Pranto, can you walk me through how you test your APIs in the Postman?
Yeah, okay, actually I can answer this question, thank you.
Okay.
So basically during the development for all the functional regression and the feature, and we are actually using the Postman as our, like the whole development team use the Postman. And for the API specification, we are using actually the Swagger. So the designing, let me tell you, the designing part is important for us. The workspace name, actually our project name, and then the collection name, actually our feature name. And under the collection, we create actually the user story. That's actually another folder. That's our user story. Under the user story, I use the subfolder, which is our positive testing, negative testing. So that's actually the functional design. For the regression design, the same approach, but give the feature name and the regression test suite folder, the collection name, and actually give the user story name that will be my part of the regression testing for my e-commerce application. So once this part is done, actually I create as an example, creating the brand, that's the user story. So in this, actually add the positive testing. As a buyer, as a seller, I should be able to create a brand. And the positive testing, and the more positive testing is, I should be able to create a brand with the brand ID, brand name, brand description. As a buyer, I should be able to create the brand without the brand description, only the brand name and the brand ID. So that's actually the positive testing. The same way I actually create the negative testing, but that's not my scope of the answer. In my test design, actually create the documentation as well. So make sure I actually cover this, the objective of the testing, and then who is actually the developer for this, and then what is the feature name, what is the test, my name is the test designer name, and then actually who is reviewing this. Sometimes the senior, the software engineer reviews, sometimes actually the product owner or the QA engineer review. We do our review process, and then what is the actual outcome I'm expecting. So that's actually we include as a template in our test documentation for each of the APIs. So that's actually how we use the Postman as for the test design. Of course, we also use the Postman snippet in our testing section for the functional testing, regression testing, also for the automation testing.